What's up, guys?
Subscribe.
Joseph Godwin right here. I'm super excited to bring you this brand new video. Sorry, guys, it's been a long that I dropped video here, coupled with the fact that I am very much busy with other activities. Not that I'm not trading, I'm still trading, but trading and also teaching people how to trade, like they are different, two different things entirely. Like teaching people how to trade is very exhaustion, like, you understand, right? So sorry, guys, I'll be back to my YouTube channel henceforth. Now today I'm going to teach you guys how to analyze, enter a trade, exit trade. You understand? How to analyze a trade, how to enter a trade, and how to exit a trade. So without further ado, let's get down to the video. Now let me go to a clean chart, which is GBP/USD. Let me go to a clean chart. Sorry, network is good. So here I'll be analyzing everything. Like, I'll be analyzing GBP/USD for you. Then I will also tell you how to enter the trade. Then tell you how to exit the trade. Now let me look for a clean chart. Let's use this one. Now, first and foremost, when you come, I think everyone's chart should be as clean as this. Everyone's chart should be as clean as this. First and foremost, when you come to a chart like this, you first of all determine the trend. What is the trend saying? You understand? First and foremost, you determine the trend. The trend. The trend. This is first thing that you need to know. So by looking at this chart from far distance, you can easily spot the trend, which is what? Up trend. That is, the price is going up. Impulsive correction, impulsive correction, impulsive correction, impulsive. So this is an uptrend. This is an what? This is an uptrending market. Now with that said, since you know that this is an uptrend, then what you are going to be looking for is for us to be buying, like to start following the trend, because there is one popular saying that says trend is your friend. So if you want to make much money from this market, be it GBP/USD, XAUSD, and any other currency pair, just follow the trend so that you can make maximum use of the position there, or the opportunity the price the market will give you. So with that said, you go to 4 hours time frame to confirm again what the trend is still saying. So shrinking back to see what the 4 hours time frame is saying, you can see that it's still going up. Price is still going up, still in an uptrending market, which is impulsive correction, impulsive correction, impulsive. So this is also an uptrending market. You understand, right? Now let's go to lower other time frame. Hey, let me teach you one concept. I think if you've been following me for long, I made mention of one concept the other time, that is trend line concept. Now let me plot my trend line real quick. This is my trend line. If you are looking for the videos on this trend line, just stick around the channel. I think I dropped video about how to plot trend line. So without making these videos so long or so boring for each and everyone, let's just make it simple and easy for everyone to understand. So this is my trend line. With this trend line, judging from this trend line, we are in an uptrend too. Like what I said earlier, we are in an uptrend. You understand? But then you'll be looking for what's more of buys. So let's go to 1 hour time frame. So on 1 hour time frame, sorry, network is glitching. On 1 hour time frame, you should be looking forward for more of buys too, because you should be looking for more of buys of buys of buys. Sorry. I don't know why network is glitching now. So on 1 hour time frame, we are still in an up trend. Let me shrink the chart. Network is glitching. So we are still in an uptrend. So that will give us confidence for us to be looking for more of buys. So with that said, let's see whether we have any counter trend line. Here, this is a counter trend line. Just stick around the channel, you understand everything that I'm saying, so that everything won't be as maybe everything won't be voodoo to your hearing. So this is how to analyze market, understand, for beginners. So going to intermediate level, so that is when you have to plot your support and resistance, in this case, which I called my psychological level. So what is psychological level? Psychological level are round up number like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So in this case, you just pick your horizontal ray, then click here and edit it to, this is a random number, you change it to 1.35000. This one makes sense now. This makes sense because it is easy to call compared to that of this. This 1.36071 is very complicated, but 1.35000 is very easy to call. Like, what I'm trying to say is that maybe when you go to your suburb to buy something from there, and maybe they said the price is 1000, and you quickly bargain the price down to maybe 900. You can't say the person should give you at the rate of 999 naira, no. But you can just quickly say, can you help me with 950 or 900 naira? That is basically the concept of this psychological level. So with that said, the next psychological level here is what? If you guess 1.355, you are correct, because after 50 is 55. So that's it. So the next one here is 1.3600. So like that, and like that. So your own now is for you to be waiting for price at this level or this level. You see, when price gets to this point, there's reaction. You understand? So when price comes to this point again, what happened? There's what? The action. Sorry. When price comes to this point, there was reaction. Let me still plot down that psychological level. So when price comes to this point too, there's a reaction. Something is presently happening now. Understand? It only just for you to wait for confirmation, which is bullish confirmation. Then you just enter your trade. That's very, very, very simple. First, determine the trend. Write it down. Second, plot your levels. Third, wait for confirmation of the trend, which is what? A candle to give you go ahead to buy. Since we are in an uptrend, reverse is the case. Like if we are also in a selling trend, which is downtrend, you wait for confirmation to sell. You understand? So after waiting for confirmation to sell, then what you will do is just to place your sell or buy. You understand? That is very simple. That's very, very simple. And with this, you just following the trend, you make chunk of money. Like you make crazy money from this financial market. So with that said, that's very simple. This is how to analyze the forex market. Or maybe let me add one concept to you, which is the concept that I use in my day-to-day activities, which is what? Fibonacci. all these things that I'm saying are in my channel. So just stick around and watch everything. Like Fibonacci, in a trending market we have something like this. I'm coming. So in a trending market we have something like this: impulsive correction, impulsive correction, impulsive correction, something like this. This is an uptrend. So your own now is just for you to wait at price at this level when it is retracing, so that you can buy from this point up to this point, so that you can buy from this point up to this point. So for you to know when the price is retracing, like when the retracement is ending, that is when you need this Fibonacci tool. Just stick around my channel, scroll through my channel, you'll see all this that I'm explaining. They are not new concepts. So you wait for them at a strategic level. You understand? You wait for them at a strategic level. Look at what I basically look for is these two levels. The levels that I look for are these two levels. These two levels, which is 0.5 and 618. These are the two levels that I wait for. So you see, if price is not retrace here, if price is not retrace at this level, if price must retrace, if it doesn't retrace at this level, then you wait for price at this level too. You understand? If price invalidate these two levels, then you know that okay, the market, the trend has changed. And this is how to analyze what the market that I was saying to you. Now let's go to how to enter a trade. You say for instance you've done your analysis and the analysis says you should buy at this zone. Let's say your analysis says you should buy at this zone. You wait first for a buy candle to close at this level. Take note of this. You wait for a buy candle to close first. After you wait for that buy candle to close, then you place, after the candle have closed, then you place your buy order. Like you will buy and your stop loss will be at this zone below the recent low. You understand, right? So and your take profit will be times 2, or maybe you just target this point. You target this high. Just target this high to be on the safer side. Did you all understand? So that is how to enter a trade. 1. Wait for confirmation candle. Wait for candle to tell you to buy before you buy, or for it to tell you to sell before you sell. So after that, you place your what's it called? You place your stop loss below the recent low, which is this level. You place your stop loss below the recent low. After that, that's it. So and your take profit will be at this recent high to be on the safer side. You understand? So that's how to enter and how to exit the market. Let's go to live market so that I will explain all this concept that I explained for you earlier. Now, as you can see, we have an uptrending market here right now. Let me delete all these things so that our chart won't look messy. So as you can see from this side, we have an uptrending market here. Like the market is going up, like what I said earlier. So let's plot our Fibonacci strategy like I explained. So this is the recent low. You mark from the recent low to the recent high. Understand? This is the recent high. And what I said earlier is what for you to wait for price at this level, which is 0.50. So this is our 0.50. You just mark it there. And what happened when price gets here? It reversed and it gave us bullish confirmation. It gave us bullish confirmation, which is what this candle for us to go ahead. So for you to buy now, let me delete this Fibonacci too. For you to buy now, you just place after the close of this candle, you just place your buy order and your stop loss will be on the recent low, which is this side. and your take profit will be twice as much times two. It's even more than that, because even the market, as I'm speaking now, I believe that the market will still go farther than this, maybe even up to this point, safe. Just 1 to 7 risk to reward. That's what I'm expecting. So based off the today is US Independent Day. So this is forex. Anything can happen. You understand? Anything can happen. So, but at least this strategy or this analysis should give you profitable trading week and everything. And one thing for you to notice is just that trading is a game of skills. It's a skill set that you can know and pass on to your generation, or maybe your kid, your brother, or your friend, and any other person. So this is very simple. By applying this and also applying your risk management, you see that you're profitable in the long run. So if you should do your due diligence by backtesting the chart. Like it works, let me see, 90% out of 100, let me see, 80 to 90%. So just try and follow this step that I just listed. First, determine the trend. I want to recap. Determine the trend, plot your levels, and also wait for confirmation. Or just follow all the steps that I give you. Watch this video over and over and again. And thank you guys. This video is very simple and straightforward. So if you like this type of content, smash the like button, subscribe, share this video to your loved ones and family. So if there's any video recommendation you want me to do, kindly comment it in the comment section, and I will definitely make the video for you. And if you are looking for the broker that I use, and the one that I recommend, they are all in my description box. So cite the description box, and everything you need, even including my WhatsApp number, everything you need about me are linked on my WhatsApp, like on my description box. So thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one. Thank you. Bye for now.